In Indiana, it's important for anyone facing drug-related charges to understand that certain circumstances could enhance the charges made against them, and ultimately lead to more severe criminal penalties. Under Indiana Code 35-48116.5, a person's drug-related charges may be enhanced for a variety of reasons, including but not limited to prior drug-related convictions or committing the offense while possessing a firearm, committing the offense while on or near school property or in a park where children may be present. In addition, a person may also face enhanced charges for delivering the drug to a minor or committing the offense in the presence of a minor. Depending on the situation, this means that Class A misdemeanor charges can be elevated to Level 6 felonies if a certain circumstance applies. And for more serious Indiana drug crimes, it may mean that an offense that's usually a Level 4 felony will become a Level 3. This enhancement could add as much as 1 to 4 years of incarceration to a criminal sentence. To better understand the legal context of the prosecution's case against you, it's best that you speak with an experienced and well-versed drug attorney in Indianapolis. This is no time to try to navigate the Indiana criminal justice system all on your own. To ensure the best possible outcome in your case, call one of the former deputy prosecutors at Keffer Hirschauer. Our team has experience prosecuting and defending drug crime cases in Indiana, giving us intimate knowledge regarding the various strategies the prosecution may deploy in the courtroom.